Hi, I am Ivan of II Automods and I drive a BMW M2 Competition. So I usually use this car on weekend runs. I also showcase this M2 to clients who want to mod their M2 as well, for them to see what kind of look they want to attain. So let me walk you through what I've done to this car. To start off in the front, we have the carbon fiber kidney grills and the carbon fiber front spoiler. This is also an OEM BMW M Performance carbon fiber bonnet. To achieve the perfect stance, I added KW V3 Coilovers. The KW V3 Coilovers, I would say, is the perfect fit to this car because it is very functional. It is height adjustable and you can adjust its stiffness and comfort settings. Moving on to the side, we also have this carbon fiber mirror caps and side gills. I also added the carbon fiber mud flaps so that dirt doesn't go to the body. Zooming out, you can actually see that it's also wrapped in the M livery decals. And we have the carbon fiber winglet on the side. Front and rear, I am running on 255 and 275 on the rear. These are 19-inch wheels, BBS FIR lightweight wheels in platinum silver. To the rear, the diffuser is also on BMW M Performance, and we have the REMUS Sport exhaust system fitted on. It is the race variant paired with a different mid-pipe to achieve the tone that we wanted. So if you were to ask my general thoughts on this combo, the KW and the REMUS set, I would say it allowed me to achieve the perfect stance I wanted and the perfect pitch, the perfect tone I want from this car. The KW V3 Coilovers is very adjustable, comfort-wise, rebound, compression, height adjustable. The set actually allows you to pair it with a hydraulic lift system for you M2 competition owners. So I would highly suggest this set for you guys as it gives you a wide variety of what you can do to your car. My thoughts on this REMUS Sport exhaust system, it allowed me to achieve the perfect tone, perfect pitch, especially since the car is very raspy. I would say that this Sport exhaust system paired with a different mid-pipe, it made it sound grumpier, meaner. So if you want to take away the rasp, this is definitely the exhaust for you. For your REMUS Sport exhaust and KW Coilovers inquiries, feel free to contact Auto Clinic Philippines on Instagram and Facebook.